Very windy outside. It looks like the storm's pretty weak, as you can see. Not looking the best at the moment. Start just to wane a bit. As you can see, distance. Fortunately, we're a dissolving storm, but on this side, it doesn't look like it is dissolving, is it? As you can see it from distance. I'm gonna have to probably wait until something happens, but it looks like in this distance nothing's happening. And then we'll probably see some lightning in and there, I think. This storm tomorrow will be better. Looks like I'm seeing some lightning in this distance, so looks like the action's starting tonight. Oh, I think I've missed it. Oh, there we go. Might should come on this side instead. It's here this time. Oh wow. Hope I got that one. Wow, look at this. Seems very isolated. Isolated cell. Look at these clouds. Wow, look at these storm clouds. Amazing, aren't they? Wow, look at that lightning. Okay, now it's raining. The sky's coming out a bit. Like mosquitoes are everywhere. Right, so I'm going to end this video for now because it looks like the storm has dissolved and nothing's really happening. But this was a very interesting storm. I love the sunset because the sunset was the best part about this storm. The good part is that we had some close strikes on the way. I was hoping a bit of some thunder, but there was no thunder, sadly. It was just lightning and a bit of some rain. I knew that the storm was going to dissolve because not much was happening. So I just kind of really just gave up a bit and waited until maybe around 5 or 6 p.m. at night. But we will be seeing some thunderstorms on the way. Tomorrow will be a better one. Thursday storm will be better. Friday storm, I don't know about Friday storm because I'm looking more at the morning side of it. Saturday, I'm going to be seeing some storms on Saturday, I believe, and possibly Sunday. So we're going to have 5 days of thunderstorms along the way. So it's good to see our storm season is still there with us. But yes, I got to admit that this sunset storm was the best part out of it. It was orange on this side and yellow and grey on the other side. I really like the vibrant colours to the storm. But for now, I'm going to end the video. Thank you very much for watching, and the next storm video will come when the next storm will arrive. Until then, have a good night.